What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful day outside today, so we got a lot planned. We're gonna go get the 6.7 washed out because it's a little dirty. And I haven't polished the wheels in a long time, probably a month, and those American Forces are looking a little dusty, so we're gonna get that fixed today. Got the tripod. Let's go. This one's a little busy today. We have a plan for a Christmas video, and this is your guys' hint to what we're gonna be doing. It's gonna be pretty fun. I can't wait. I'm gonna be using this detail spray to finish cleaning the truck, and I'm gonna use it on all the paint and the forelink and everything. Kaylee's actually sponsored by these guys. If you go to vvashautocare.com and use code YAK 6.0, you'll get 15% off, and this is really good stuff. It's cheap too. Yeah. Alright, so I finished wiping down the whole truck. Looks pretty good. I didn't polish the wheels yet. I'm gonna wait to polish the wheels tomorrow because I'm gonna clean the whole inside of the truck. But I did all the paint, I did the 4-link, everything looks really nice. So I'm just gonna wipe down these wheels for now. That's gonna be it. And then, yeah. So a few videos ago, I told you guys I was going to a place called InfiniteCustoms to get the boat speakers installed and everything wired. And I went there. Great company. They hooked me up. They got everything all working the way it should be. I got 2 SCAR amps and a switch to turn these off with. 2 SCAR audio amps. These are for the inside and this one's for the boat speakers. And then I got a switch going to the front. Now, the truck came with these speakers inside. I think they're Sony. There's 2 back in the back seats and 2 in the front seats, and then 1 tweeter in the front seats. Yeah, 1 tweeter in the front seats. This is all getting ripped out. They're hooking me up and building a whole system for the truck. Not exactly going to tell you what everything is because they kind of want it to be a surprise, but it's going to be pretty banging. So if you could go on Instagram, follow InfiniteCustoms on Instagram, check out all their stuff. They build pretty cool stuff. They do a lot of Jeeps and all that. I'll be going there the next few weeks talking to them. So big things coming for the truck, so stay tuned. I'll play some uncopyrighted music out of the boat speakers to show you how they sound. They sound pretty good. Not sure if everything's dialed in exactly how it's going to be forever. I don't know if they can turn the amp up or whatever. So I think they sound pretty cool for now. You can hear it throughout the whole neighborhood when I'm rolling down the road. Me and Kaylee are going to like Walmart and Michael's, I think, to get her like Christmas craft stuff. So that's going to be at the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.